Hey everybody. All right, so we're here at Red Rock again at T-Bones. Same place that we got that big old seafood tower and the big old 42-ounce Tomahawk steak. Tonight we're doing a 20-ounce Chateaubriand 28 days wet aged steak. Runs about 120 bucks. We got some tuna tartare, some hamachi shots, some pretzel bread, some French onion soup. So I'm gonna take pictures of that, make sure you see it. But you guys gotta come experience this. It's so cool here. We got a pretty neat seat in the house tonight, right in front of the bar, in a big old booth made for about 6 people. But yeah, just something different tonight for the environment. Instead of fine dining, we're doing fine dining kind of laid back style. Get out of your room! All right, so this is the hamachi shot that I just made a bunch of noise, made everybody look. But isn't this cool how it comes out in a iced shot hamachi with some other items in there that are incredible. This is how it comes out on ice. Then we have the tuna tartare. Absolutely incredible looking. Nice pieces of tuna. Dark pieces in there. So that's the tuna tartare. And this right here is French onion soup. So I'll crack that sucker open. Look at that pastry puff. Absolutely incredible. So this is an example of, look at that. So anyway, that's what we're eating right now. All right, everybody. So this is the Chateaubriand. Oh, smell that. Absolutely incredible. Look at this piece of meat.
Oh, I didn't know it was goat. I didn't agree. Oh.
Nudie? And this is called nudie, which are dumplings with mushroom sauce. Absolutely incredible. This is going to be delicious.
I'll be right back with the chipotle mayo that goes with it.
So I wanted to give you a look at this. It isn't as rare as it looks. It is medium. It's absolutely incredible. It tastes amazing. That smoke that you saw in the other video really impacts the flavor. It is so tender. Absolutely incredible. And that's part of the wet aged process. It stays, instead of dry aged, it's wet aged. But again, this is Chateaubriand. It's an amazing cut of meat, and it's absolutely delicious. So, and the dumpling, these dumplings right here are full of cheese, and they tasted absolutely amazing. And they're in a mushroom sauce that just absolutely is incredible. So, and honestly, they brought us this brown sauce for the steak. You don't need it. You don't need anything on here. Just put it in your mouth, and it is so tender. You've got to come try this at T-Bones in Vegas.